Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial let me show you how you can make the floating keyboard bigger. Whenever I try to type in some text on my iPad, you can see that the keyboard is looking like this. It's floating. I can grab it and move it around, right? And it's kind of small. Some people like it, but in order to expand it and make it bigger, you can either do the pinch out gesture, so you can grab your the keyboard like this and pinch out on it, which will make it jump back to literally take up like half of the screen. This is the full size keyboard. And of course you can reverse the process and pinch in on it, and it's gonna come back to the floating small one, which you can grab by the handle and again move around. So that's like the easiest approach by me. But if you don't like the pinch in and out gestures, you can as well click on the little button below the keyboard, which we used as the handle, right? So you can use it to move it around. But if you just click on it like that, you can switch to the full screen keyboard with a click of a button instead of the gesture. So you can click on the full keyboard like this, and now again we are in the full mode. And to make it come back to the small one, you again can hold it down on the bottom right button. You can see this one, and again go to the floating mode with a click of a button instead of the gesture. So it basically gets the same thing done, but different ways to do it. Let me know if that's the thing you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and found it helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.